Hi everyone, welcome to the 2022 Robogals Science Challenge Virtual Awards Ceremony. The Robogals Science Challenge is a global STEM competition open to all female and gender diverse students aged 5 to 15. During our virtual awards ceremony today, we will celebrate the achievements of the fantastic participants of our 2022 competition. Before we begin, we would like to pay our respects to and be mindful of the people, cultures, and traditions of the various lands we live and work on. The Robogals Science Challenge team would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the many Indigenous lands from which we are joining. We pay our respects to the elders past, present, and emerging, and we extend that respect to Aboriginal, Torres Strait Islander, and any other Indigenous individuals joining us. Today's virtual awards ceremony will begin with an address from the Robogals CEO, Janelle Dixon, followed by a thank you to the organisations that help support this year's Science Challenge competition. We will then showcase some of the highlights for the 2022 Science Challenge. Thereafter, our wonderful judges will introduce themselves before helping us announce this year's first, second, and third place prize recipients across the three age categories: junior, intermediate, and senior.
Hello everyone, my name's Janelle. I'm the CEO of Robogals Global. Science Challenge is a really important part of Robogals, which gives young people from all over the world the opportunity to explore STEM. Congratulations to everyone who participated this year in the Science and Engineering Days and submitted minor and major challenges. You explored a variety of disciplines from physics and biology to our environment and submitted some really creative and innovative entries. They were thoroughly researched and demonstrated your scientific and critical thinking skills. I can see that we have some very capable future scientists and engineers. I'd like to thank KPMG for their support this year and who contributed to the development of the major challenge prompt. I'd also like to thank the Science Challenge team, the Robogals chapters, the parents, mentors, and guardians for their support, and of course, I'd also like to thank you, the participants. Whether you take home an award today or not, we hope that Science Challenge has given you a glance into the exciting world of STEM and given you some ideas for how you can use science and engineering to contribute to bettering our world. Congratulations again. Enjoy the ceremony.
The Science Challenge team would like to extend our gratitude to KPMG Australia, Beck Engineering, and Lumentum for their support for this year's competition. KPMG supported us in the creation of this year's major challenge prompt, which you will hear more about shortly. One of our wonderful judges for this year is also from KPMG, and you will hear more about her awesome work later on in the video. Lumentum started supporting the North America Robogals region this year and were kind enough to provide another one of our judges for the competition. We are so excited to have our first international judge from Lumentum this year. Beck Engineering has been supporting Robogals since its inception in 2008, and we would like to extend our sincerest gratitude for the continuing support. We are truly so appreciative of all the support we receive from our wonderful industry partners and hope to continue strengthening these ties in future years. 2022 has been a very exciting year for the Robogals Science Challenge. This year we held our first Science and Engineering Days outside of Australia in collaboration with the Auckland and Memorial University Newfoundland chapters. Thank you to all our chapters who ran a Science and Engineering Day this year and to all the students who attended. We continue to expand our minor challenge repertoire, offering new challenges in astronomy/astrophysics and food science this year. Popular minor challenge disciplines completed by our participants included biomedical engineering, software engineering, mathematics, and environmental science. In collaboration with our industry partners at KPMG, we were able to provide a prompt to help inspire students in coming up with ideas for their major challenge entries. The prompt this year was how can humans work to better co-inhabit Earth with our natural environment, and encouraged some fantastic major challenge submissions looking at topics such as biodiversity conservation, waste management, sustainable living, and renewable energy. We will now hear a bit more about our judges, what they do, and why they are passionate about being involved with Robogals.
My name is Ruby Pangrazio, and I'm a Senior Consultant in the Engineering, Assets and Project Delivery team at KPMG. Our team is a diverse group of engineers from multiple disciplines, and we work to solve complex asset management and business problems across a range of sectors, including water, power, transport and defence. What I love most about my role is how much I learn from everyone on our team and the interesting work I get to be a part of in the defence sector.
Hi there, my name is Ruwan. I had the pleasure of being one of the judges for the 2022 Robogals Science Challenge. Like most of you, growing up, I had a strong interest in STEM. One of my favourite Australian inventions is that of the cochlear implant, which helps people hear again. At university, I studied biomedical engineering, which is the field that allows you to apply our knowledge of engineering and science to the human body. University is where I also first encountered Robogals and had a lot of fun running robotics workshops and helping out with the science challenge too. I learned so much about working as a team whilst working with Robogals. Now, I'm a policy officer with the Australian government, and I help a team that looks at the rules and regulations that help make our electrical devices safer for us to use. I get to use some of my engineering knowledge and some of my skills from Robogals. Plus, I get to learn so much more on the job. Engineering has opened up many doors for me, and I hope it does the same for you.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth O'Sullivan, and I'm here filling in for David Markin, our North America judge from Lumentum. I've been working with Robogals for about a year and a half now, and I'm the Science Challenge Officer for North America. In my role, I've helped write many challenges and helped disseminate them to as wide a group as possible. I've really loved working with this group. It's an awesome group of people doing great work.
Thanks to our judges for those interesting introductions. And now, drumroll please, back to our judges for the announcement of our finalists for this year's competition.
I'm very excited to announce the winners from the junior division of the 2022 Robogals Science Challenge. In third place is Priscilla with her experiment on how nature reacts to an apple. I loved seeing you learn about composting and your video updates on how the apple was looking in your veggie garden. Well done, Priscilla. In second place is Dia with her project on creating renewable energy from food waste. I can tell you had a lot of fun filming your video, and I loved your enthusiasm for learning. You did a great job on your biogas experiment. Well done. In first place, we have Willow with her project on the genetics of her border collie, Lumi. It was great how you explained traits and DNA in your presentation, and you even made some DNA using lollies and pipe cleaners, which was very creative. I loved seeing you learn about dominant and recessive genes by looking at the coat colours of Lumi's mum and dad, and explaining why Lumi is a chocolate border collie. Fantastic job, Willow. Congratulations to all the finalists. You should all be very proud of your projects. I hope you continue to explore and love science in the future.
So I want to start off by saying thank you very much to all of our participants. We had so many incredible entries this year. It was really, really hard to pick. There was a huge range of different STEM projects covering a bunch of different fields. But I'm here to announce the winners for our intermediate division of the 2022 Robogals Science Challenge. In third place, we have Mishika and her entry exploring solar power. Mishika, you outlined a clear explanation of the photovoltaic effect and its use in solar energy, as well as some of the considerations we need to account for when using this technology. The link between the cultural and scientific uses in your presentation was a lovely way to highlight the importance of this natural resource. Way to go. And in second place, we had Josephine Ho with an experimental look at composting and landfill emissions. What an interesting and relevant experiment to explore the importance of composting and food waste. Your experiment was well thought out, and the use of balloons to capture the biogases was excellent. The use of biogas for energy is a great concept, and we look forward to seeing the progress in the field, and maybe even your contributions to it. And finally, in first place, we have Alina and her experimental design of a lunar rover. Alina, your project showed a clear and well thought out design process. The way you used Tinkercad to build and annotate your prototype was spectacular, and the detailed explanations of each component really blew us away. It showed a depth of research into this field that we were all very impressed by. Congratulations, Alina. Congratulations to all three of our finalists. Your project showed an interest and an excitement for STEM that we love to see. We really enjoyed looking through all of your projects. Keep doing what you're doing and enjoy your future endeavors in STEM. Congratulations.
Thank you to all of the entrants for their dedication to their experiments and their research. It was a pleasure to view your entries, and now it's my opportunity to announce the winners for the senior division of the 2022 Science Challenge. In third place, we have Miriam Sarakaya and her entry on endangered birds, which showcase an app that may help combat the ecological impacts of climate change. Miriam, the mock-ups of your app were detailed and rich, and I appreciate the inclusion of each of the birds' sounds. Fantastic work. Next, in second place, we have Winuti Wimalasekara and her entry, How Sustainable Agriculture Combats Climate Change, which explored 3 alternatives to agriculture. Winuti, I appreciate the detail you put into your drawings and how you use this to complement your explanations and how to outline the limitations of your model. Well done. Finally, in first place, we have Anushka Gupta and her entry, Real-Time Monitoring of Water Consumption, which outlined a software and a hardware model to help us track our daily water usage. Anushka, I appreciated your clear explanations of your intricate coding and that you spent the effort to use recycled materials for your hardware setup. Excellent work. Once again, congratulations to all 3 of you, Miriam, Winuti, and Anushka. You've all shown fantastic research skills, and we hope to hear more about your STEM endeavours in the future.
A big congratulations to all our 2022 Science Challenge finalists and to everyone else who participated in and continues to support our competition. We continue to be amazed by the quality of the entries we receive and the thoroughly exciting projects our students complete. That marks the end of the 2022 competition. To stay up to date about the Science Challenge and the 2023 competition dates and Science and Engineering Days, be sure to follow us on our Facebook and Instagram. Remember to sign up to the 2023 competition on our website early next year and keep an eye out on your emails for more information about the 2023 Science Challenge launch. Thank you again for joining us today for the 2022 Robogals Science Challenge Virtual Award Ceremony. Congratulations again to all our participants and finalists. From all of us in the Robogals Science Challenge team, we would like to wish you all a happy and safe holiday period, and we hope to see you again next year.